Yes, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to this really good new live stream. Guys, I am really stoked about this live stream today, okay? Because there are like certain things where we're gonna have to talk about, okay? First of all, about the Telegram group, what we're gonna start with. Thing is, what we're literally doing right now, we have like a personal Telegram group. If you want to join it, see the link below in the description. And yeah, then you can join us on the Telegram group, okay? For example, this is an example what we have over here. This is how it looks. I posted like 2 trades, like for Ethereum. That is this one. If it will load, it will be perfect. And over here, like a big one, a swing trade, okay? And like here, we're gonna place our trades on for like in the live streams, also the trades from Tom, also trades from Marilyn. So all these kind of trades are coming in here, okay? So just so you know. But the interesting thing about it, and also the unfortunate fact, is literally the thing what do we have over here. I placed a trades over here with a short on Ethereum. Unfortunately, that I placed it too early this trade, and that we just got taken out on our stop loss, and then it got swiped to the downside. So like our trade was actually really good. The only unfortunate side was that I placed my stop loss just too short. Actually, I had to place it like at least above here, and then there was like a clean take profit. But well, we're gonna learn from these kind of things, of course. And also, guys, like the really clean thing about like Ethereum lately, he's now being in the zone of where we want to buy again. What you can see already, so that's also looking really good and clean in my personal opinion. So I'm really stoked like what's gonna happen with this swing trade over here. And yeah, guys, look at this. I got some really interesting things to talk about for you guys, okay? Some things are like the same things what you can see already. Some things are like new as well. And like I can tell you guys, like unbelievable. We got some really great analyzations for you guys, okay? Like wow, I'm really stoked about these kind of things for you guys. And yeah, let's see what this is gonna be. If it's gonna load a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Sorry guys, the internet is like not the best today, I think. Like I don't know what it is, but BlackRock. Yeah. So yeah, man, like this is gonna be a really stoked and good live stream. I'm really happy that you guys being here already. And guys, yeah, welcome to another live stream. It's unbelievable how good the community is building up together, guys. Welcome Badger B, Dana Baraza, IA7IA, Davis, and GS. Yo, bro, how you doing? I bought back in at 4211. I am screwed, bro. You're not even close to screwed. No worries, bro. Like I know it is now going down because like that's also what my expectations were, like at 4K round up. But I can tell you, bro, like it will go up. It will go up eventually. Just hold on. Just keep your losses till now, okay? And like don't sell anything. Yeah? That's like the thing what I can say to you right now. I applied to join the Telegram group, but it hasn't been approved yet. Okay, Davies, I will come back on that fact for you. Then I'm gonna talk about about the mods and all those kind of things to fix that for you. Davies, good. How are you? I'm good, bro. How you doing? The lowest I seen was 40.75 yesterday. Yeah, bro, that was literally over here. What you can see, indeed. I can tell you, like. I get it, like it is scary that it dropped down that fast and hard, but I can tell you that like that was it's looking pretty clean, to be honest, like with everything. Let's see, Soul keeps falling from Badger B. Well, let's see, Badger, because like the thing with Soul lately are like some here exactly. Oh, this trade looks really clean, unbelievable. Like the thing is, Badger, what I told you, or what I said like from the last live stream as well, the thing is why I was shorting on Solana with this one. Unfortunately I didn't take this trade, but still. The thing is with this trade, what was looking really clean is like it was against his okay, say it, the resistance levels what it has. So like what you can see, it broke through it literally really clean. He made like a newer higher high even, or not. Wait, let me check real quick. Okay, no, it's not a higher high, but he broke through this resistance level over here, and he swiped through it. And like what is happening after that with the charts is like that Solana is gonna go down to building up some new liquidity. So what you can see as well over here, literally the order book, what it touches, he touched literally this order book and bumped up to the upside again. But the thing is, why I was also going short, because there's still some liquidity over here. Nothing has taken out yet. This is a weak low, what we call it. So that is why we were short for like the last what was it? Last Saturday, I think. And like, look at this trade, guys. Like, how clean would it be actually to take this one as well? It's unbelievable. By the way, Davies career. What I'm maybe there's like one of the things what I also now think about. The thing is, if you want to join the Telegram group, you have to sign up for WEEX. And then with WEEX, you have to deposit $100 on it on your own account. You don't pay any money actually to us, but you have to drop like 100 euros or dollars, sorry, dollars on that account. And then you can also trade with it for yourself and everything. And then when you do that through our link, then you're supposed to be get joined in the Telegram group. So that is like how it should work, okay? That is like how I have heard it, and I will come back for the next live stream then on the Saturday for sure to tell you guys like how it should work. And otherwise we're gonna have like a tutorial. We're gonna make a video tutorial to how to join the Discord group, okay? So I think we can see the Ethereum 3800, bro. I can tell you, I don't even mind if that's gonna happen, because like then I will buy even more in, to be honest. Like, even though it would be then a bummer that I would lose my trade, but like, because that is like on this level indeed, like this order book, and that, I think that is on the weekly, oh no, daily, yeah, daily, 3 days daily order book. That also can be happening. It is like, it depends on it. Because like I know that I have like a pretty risky trade, to be honest. But the thing is, like, he is looking pretty strong on the fact with this zone over here. So that's why I wanted to look for like these kind of trades. But we have to see. How long will Ethereum drop today? Yukio-san, I can tell you, bro, like, it will gonna drop maybe even more, what like Ya7 said. Like, it can even possible that he is gonna drop down to the 3800 round up, and then from there we're gonna have like maybe a change. Davies, okay, so I need to make a trade first. That might be the step I'm missing. Thanks for clarifying. No, you don't need to trade, but like you need to deposit like $100 on that account when you signed up for, through our link. That is like how it should work. That is like how I've heard it. So like, what is really important for you guys, if you want to join our Telegram group, you have to deposit $100 on your account. Through our link, and then from there, when you have made when you sign up and you deposit $100, then they should see the bot, most of it should see that you joined our link through that account and you did all those steps. Then you should join our exclusive group as well. Okay, mentally prepared for the red candles. Yeah, bro, like like, guys, this is only some good things, okay? Because like, I can tell you also for you, GS, I know that like we're gonna maybe lose some money maybe on the moment, but if it's gonna drop down to the 3800s and stuff, I can tell you guys, I am ready to buy even more in on Ethereum. I can tell you, like, I am just more hyped when the price is going down than it's going up lately. Why? Because like, we are not even in the zones yet or like not even on the biggest highs, biggest heights, to like take these kind of trades. Like for Bitcoin is also like something different. Here, look at this this thing. What the what is this? Like, it's unfortunately that I didn't place my my TP from here, because otherwise it would be like a great trade. But I was expecting that we're gonna reach like the 130k already. So like also with this one, it's maybe unfortunate that this is happening, but like it is actually pretty logical as well. You know, that is the whole thing. So also with this one, it is unfortunate that we're now on a pretty on a little bit of a losing streak. But like all our trades are like pretty clean so far. So for example, with this trade, it would be actually great if I was putting my TP from here, and then it would be like great trades, to be honest. This would be actually better. Then it would be like a good trade, and we could go on. But yeah, still. Do you think it would be a sharp reversal when we hit the local bottom, or just a corrective swing up? I think even I think more a swing up. The thing is, like on Ethereum, most of it, like what you can see over here, for example. What should I do? Like this is like a good example. This when it is pulling up like really hard. So for example, he got swiped out this segment over here, what you can see with this line. But you can see literally then it got swiped out and it did push up a little bit, and now it's going down again, you know. And over here, like with these kind of highs, like he is going up, and I'm calling this the buyer side liquidity. So what does that mean? Buyer side liquidity means like how high the buyers could go with the buyer side liquidity. Okay, so this segment over here, what you have is literally the fact where we can go trade to. Let's see, can I do you have it here? Yeah, here. Buy side liquidity. This is literally the segment where you want to focus on then, you know, because like the thing is with the buy side liquidity, and that's something really interesting to know about. Buy side liquidity means like that it could go up till that high. You can always focus on those kind of levels then. Also with this segment, so now you can see that the sellers could go till over here. Only thing is that it looks like that he's gonna drop down even more. So here, seller side liquidity over here. There you go. So also with this one, seller side liquidity is literally the same. And you can also see it like from here, that people, that the sellers could go from here only. Let's see, seller side liquidity. And like the thing is with these kind of things, like when you see those kind of movements, you can know of like, okay, those are like the kind of movements where the sellers could go, and from there you can make a change. So if they pass that level, then we know that he's gonna drop down further, or he's gonna make a retracement and go up to the upside from there. August 22, Jerome Powell speaks. So if he gives us good news, we can see Ethereum 5000 easy. So everything is based on Fed's words, bro. I can tell you, like, if Jerome Powell is speaking something good about Ethereum or about crypto in general, I can tell you that we're gonna have like an easy TP hit. I think that I also was a little bit too aggressive with these kind of trades, to be honest. Also with this one, for example, with like my with my stop loss, for example. I think I was a little bit too aggressive on these kind of things. Okay. Also, guys, like it is really funny, but I'm also in a trade. Let me show you over here on the Euro USD against the dollar, which you can see over here. It's looking pretty clean so far till now. And yeah, we're waiting when he's gonna reach like newer lower lows, and let's see like how that one is gonna go, because I can tell you that there's gonna be a 6% on my account. It is gonna go well. Okay, guys, so we were gonna talk a little bit about some interesting things. I heard already that someone wants to that I'm also gonna analyze Python, was it, I think? Do you guys know it? What it was? I think it was Python. I think it was this one. Yeah, here, look. Okay, then I'm gonna mark this one for sure. Guys, let me know what kind of coins we should analyze for these upcoming days. Oh, look at this one as well, ADA. Unbelievable. My goodness. It is doing exactly what we wanted, guys, but we were just a little bit too aggressive, I think. Ah, with SOI it didn't. Oh well, like, sure. Let's see what we're gonna have over here. But yeah, okay, we're gonna have some interesting things to talk about for sure. And let's start about Bitcoin for today, okay? Because like the thing is with Bitcoin right now, guys, what you can see with the all-time highs and with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 step plan, okay? You can see already with the fact that he is almost dropping down to a newer low from here, okay? With this segment. And this segment over here is something what we can properly trade on. The thing is, like when he's reaching these kind of lows, I am actually personally like it a lot. The reason, because the thing is, literally, this is a level of, what is it? 111k, 112 maybe. And I can tell you, Bitcoin is never been so low in this period of time. You know, it is like a long time ago that this happened, okay? And the thing is, what is something so interesting, we all can like invest in all these kind of things and make profit out of it eventually later on. These are like the kind of moments where you want to step in and want to buy. Because I can tell you guys, everyone wants to buy the dip, all those for all these kind of things. But that is like the most interesting things about it. Everyone wants to buy the dip, but 9 of the 10 times you're missing the dip like from a mile away. I can tell you. Like 80%, maybe 19%, maybe 95% even, miss the dip all the time, and then they are gonna be too late with buying. What you have to do with these kind of things, there's like a good strategy for it. Like invest in it with small pieces. When the market is going down, ball in with small pieces, you know. Like invest in it for like smaller prices, smaller, invest small, you know, but like eventually that is getting more and more. And when it's going up, you take literally on everything when you have invested in, you just pumping up like crazy with the investment. So also over here with the multi-year resistance and the multi-year support chart, what you can see over here is literally from Bitcoin that we're still actually pretty bullish on the segment. Oh, excuse me guys. My trade from is going, it's going pretty clean. I can tell you. Let's go. Let's see what this one is gonna do. What it's gonna do. So what you can see over here with the multi-year resistance is the fact that we're actually still pretty bullish actually overall, and this on a monthly time frame. So like overall, like with the biggest time frame we have, we are still pretty bullish on everything. Only thing is that we now have a little bit of a push down to the downside. Also over here with the Bitcoin against the M2 global liquidity line. Excuse me guys, like it's unfortunately that we didn't, I didn't write it down with this one. But with this one, it is also literally the same fact that he's like now did go to the downside a little bit, but then what you can see that he's building up over here, and I can tell you that we are expecting also some good interesting things about on this one as well with Bitcoin. And the nice thing is what I like the most is like that he's now in a like pretty good buying zone over here. And not only that, if we're gonna talk about like some gaps over here, you can also see like these kind of things, for example, as well with it. And if you're gonna draw like a Fibonacci over it, so from this swing to over here, like look like how clean that looks. So these are like the kind of confirmations we are looking for, and this is on the daily time frame as well, guys. So don't forget about that section. So we're gonna have some interesting and good trades for the upcoming weeks, I can tell ya. Unfortunately, that I was just a little bit too aggressive, in my opinion, with the trades what I had. So on Ethereum, for example, and with Bitcoin as well, I think. Even though the trades were looking pretty clean with this one, for example, and well, with this one is also looking pretty good in my opinion. But yeah, like also with this one, I was just too aggressive with this one because I pressed it like on 130k, but I actually shouldn't do, unfortunate, because otherwise it would be like a good TP if I just put it until that high. So yeah, like those are like the kind of things what you're gonna learn from. I don't think we can see the 3800 bro. By that point we might call the bull run over. GS, I can tell you we're not even we don't even started with the bull run yet, in my opinion. Well, yeah, we started with bull run. That is not what I meant, but the thing is more if he's gonna. I think he can reach the 3800. Why? The thing is like that is like some technical analysis what I'm looking at, bro. So this is my personal opinion. The thing is why I think that he can reach that low is because of this segment over here. Okay. The thing is like now he had like two big red candles to the lower side from there, and now he has like a positive good one to the upside already. The only thing is what we had to focus on a little bit, and let me remove that this segment a little bit for you guys, otherwise it's gonna be a little bit messy. Perfect, this is better. The thing is what looks now so pretty clean is like the bull run. I don't think the bull run is gonna be over yet. The thing is like Ethereum didn't reach a new or higher high yet. He still didn't like had his full potential yet. That is like the whole segment where I'm following up through. I think the line in the sand is like 4K 40.1. It's also gonna be a very possible option, bro, because like the thing is 4K was literally the resistance level, eh? So if I'm gonna if I may, like 4K round up here. Oh, the 4K round up here. This is literally the level what you have to focus about actually. Then the thing is what is something so nice about it, that's why I also put my stop loss under it, because like this is literally the resistance level what up now can be a support level. Imagine, bro, long squeeze. Yeah, it's for real. Since 2013, Bitcoin rarely follows corporate gold ratio. The ratio is estimated to rally again in Q4 this year. Do you think Bitcoin will rally to until 2060, 27? And we're gonna see extended cycle? Yeah, that is the previous resistance level. Yeah, yes, that's what I am saying. So like I'm expecting still like he can reach, like for example, by the way, Bray, I'm coming back on your question. But yes, what you can expect, for example, it doesn't need that it's gonna happen. For example, that he can break through a little bit till the 3800 level, and then gonna push up like instantly from there with a retest over here. That is like what you can have on this kind of things, like that he just is breaking through it like with a big wick, and then he's gonna push up like crazy from there, you know. So he's taking all the orders out what it has. So also my order, some people's orders that they were buying already, you know, just like a quick liquidity sweep in a kind of way. That is like how you have to see it. So that is why it is also so pretty clean actually if you're gonna look for a trade on this segment over here, to be honest. And then you so this is also going to be like a possible trade, for example. That is why it is so important to realize where you have to look for with these kind of things. And for you, Brad, and are we gonna see an extended cycle? Well, bro, I can tell you with Bitcoin right now that he is actually building up some pretty good crazy trades on the Bitcoin right now. The thing is, what is happening right now, let me go to the weekly time frame otherwise. The thing is, what is happening with Bitcoin, he is just building up like crazy, like, and I mean more in a way like it's getting worth more and more. You can see already over here as well, like with this order book over here, for example, the 110k level, I can see it already from here, are like kind of levels what we can follow up actually. Also with the cup and handle segment over here, what you can see, and over here is, for example, like, let me remove some things, otherwise it's gonna get a little bit ugly. Here you go. So this is a little bit better, to be honest. The thing is, like, what is happening right now, he literally he erected like literally on the chart pattern what we had, that was like the bearish wedge, and from there actually we were a little bit too aggressive to put our TP on 130k, to be honest. Like, I'm just gonna be honest with that. Like, I am also like Not the perfect trader, what you can see. But like still, like our ideas were good, so we are doing a great job in like which kind of where we have to go. The thing is, what I'm expecting with Bitcoin, that he's just gonna follow up newer higher highs. It will take a little bit, but I think we're still gonna do that. If you're gonna look a little bit further about the segment over here, where is it again? Over here, for example, with the Bitcoin ending diagonal pattern. This is for an example like a really clean one to look for. What you can see over here with the 1, 2, 3, 4 and the number 5 over here are like the kind of movements where you can follow up for these kind of things. Also, I got a really clean one over here, for example, with the Bitcoin halving cycle. Here, what you can see with this segment over here, and I have to place it like a little bit cleaner. That's over here. You can see with this segment, and this is from Ethereum, but also with Bitcoin dominance, what you can follow up, that we are the altcoin season almost starts already. Like it's always like after this push, like after this segment of the circle is happening, then we are gonna start with the altcoin season, and then we're also gonna have like a newer top for Ethereum. But I am also thinking that before that segment is gonna happen, then we're gonna focus a little bit more on Bitcoin, because I'm expecting that that one is also gonna go higher from that segment. That is why I'm also thinking that Bitcoin is gonna still go higher, because he's still not even reaching like the multi-year resistance level yet. And we're still building up some more momentum on Bitcoin. He's not gonna make big moves anymore. That's not what I'm expecting, but he's still gonna be bullish on every kind of segment over here. Also, for example, what you can see over here, what happened with Bitcoin, with the cup and handle segment. Literally, he broke through it, and like, look how big that push was. And now with altcoin is coming up, or with altcoins is now literally coming up. This is literally with Ethereum with it and the altcoins in general. So like also these kind of movements are like gonna be interesting just to focus on, because like I can tell you, I think now Ethereum is the most interesting ones to buy, to be honest with me, because guys, it's like it's unbelievable like how Bitcoin is performing, because he's still going up most of the time. Also over here, like from this segment, what you can see over here with the 1-2 top, what you can see, literally the segment what you can see over here, that he now reached like or he swiped actually this level, what I like to see the most of the times, and then from there we're gonna build up some crazy new highs with Bitcoin. That is why I'm telling you, also with the RSI, what you can see over here, like a small, well, it's not like really double top, but he's rejecting like those lows of these highs with RSI, and when he's gonna drop down, that means that we are gonna go up with Bitcoin. Let's see, how do you see Sol, AVEX and Cardano doing? Let's see, Sol, AVEX, let's see, do I have AVEX? Yeah, I got AVEX here, right? This AVEX, yeah. Okay, let me put this one over here on. AVEX, Cardano, and Sol. Okay, I mark it, and I'm gonna do it later on, better if that's okay, because we still have like a lot to talk about. Better, after Ethereum will hit new all-time high, you'll see these coins soar. I sure hope so. What you were saying, Savia, I'm totally agreeing with you, bro. And when you see Ethereum domination hit 18%, yeah, man, like I can tell you, like Ethereum is still not done yet with everything. Also, with Bitcoin is just building up, momentum. And when like that is gonna drop down, then we are gonna see big moves on Ethereum. Thanks, no problem. So also with this segment over here, what you can see, like that he swiped like literally now that side over here. Maybe it's gonna be possible that he's gonna want to swipe this segment over here as well. And when that is gonna happen, then we're gonna know that we have like that he doesn't have any reason anymore with Bitcoin that he's gonna go down further than that segment. Or then I would say like that that the bull run is over for Bitcoin and that we have to focus literally that on Ethereum. So also over here, because I really don't think that we're gonna end on Bitcoin, that this is the end of Bitcoin right now. Because also what you can see over here with the shakeout, which you have on the left side over here with the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 touches right now. And then he broke out. With this one, it's different even. He touched literally the resistance level 3 times, and then it broke out already. Now he has literally the shakeout with a retest on it. So I can tell you guys, like, we are still really bullish actually on Bitcoin with all the patterns what you can see over here. So also with that segment, what you can know around now about it, I'm still really bullish on everything till now. Did you get your Ethereum trade at 4150? Yeah, I have like a limit order and I placed it at 4150 indeed. So like now I'm a little bit in a loss indeed, but like I'm still like really ready actually to have like some good some good trades on it. I can tell you right now. Also over here, guys, this is like something really interesting what I want to show you. Like what it says, my team is building up some crazy analyzations that you can see over here with Bitcoin and Ethereum. The thing is, what is looking so clean about this one, let me make it a little bit, yeah, this is perfect. Like what you can see over here with Ethereum with the segment and Bitcoin. With Bitcoin for example, you have the green zone, then you have the accumulation phase, then you lag 1. Again accumulation, that's number 2, then leg 2, again a small accumulation, and then leg 3, what we're now in right now. But with the interesting thing is, what you can see now with Ethereum, it is a little bit different. You can see with accumulation 1, then you had leg 1 with the great push, then you had like again dump down with accumulation number 2, and then a crazy new higher high push with leg 2. Oh well, not like a newer higher high, but like it was almost reaching like newer levels. And then from there, what you can see here, he's now probably want to have like an accumulation number 3. What we are expecting, maybe that he's gonna reach like the 4K again. Those kind of levels, because that was like the resistance level what it has. So don't forget about that segment. And then we're gonna have like leg 3, so that we're gonna reach like the 6K roundup maybe on that leg 3 segment. That is why I'm also saying to you guys, like, don't sell your shit on Ethereum. Like not any close, because like I can tell you, I'm expecting that we're gonna have like hit like 6K roundup with these kind of segments. And like guys, I can tell you, yeah, I'm like really stoked about Ethereum lately, because like it is looking so clean and so strong actually. They got strong fundamentals, big companies are investing in it. So like this accumulation is gonna happen, and I think that people are gonna get the shake out from there, that people are gonna sell because they gonna get scared. But I can tell you, we're gonna reach newer highs after that one. So I'm also gonna keep this one to show you like how the market is gonna go through, okay, for the later live streams. So now we're gonna come a little bit back about the Bitcoin halving cycle segments, okay? So what you can see over here, literally with the Ethereum levels, because I also showed you like a very long time ago with the Bitcoin halving cycle, what it has, the different kind of tops. Ethereum is like now performing literally the same things, guys. And actually not only Ethereum, Bitcoin is doing that as well. The thing is, what you can see over here with the Bitcoin dominance, for example, like when he was dropping down over here, you can see literally like fewer drops. And then from here, like what you can see over here, that was the top as well with Ethereum. Then it literally changed around. So like Bitcoin dominance was pulling up again. And then from here, literally over here on the Monday, 21 of December in 2020, you can see again that Bitcoin dominance was starting to drop like crazy till here. And this was like again then a new top for Ethereum. And now what is something interesting, from there you can see that he was building up again with the Bitcoin dominance, and now we are literally again on the altcoin season that's almost gonna start. What means that we're almost gonna reach like newer highs for Ethereum on this segment. And like I can tell you guys that is something really crazy to follow up, man. I like this one also so much to show you, because like this is like how you can see like how the market is going and how it works, because it's looking literally identical with these kind of things. Let's see. Yeah, the Ethereum treasuries keep buying at these levels. Yeah, exactly, GS. So don't worry when you bought like at 4,200. You know, it's gonna be like we're gonna reach some crazy levels eventually. That's also why it's hard to see it below 4K, to be honest. Yeah, GS. That's why. Do you expect Ethereum is to reach 10K in this cycle? I think, to be honest, that we can reach the 10K. But like it is gonna be like a tough one, you know, because like a lot of people are saying that we're gonna see like 10K levels round up. I am also convinced that we're gonna reach like 10K levels. The only thing is with the 10K levels, we need to have like a lot of people that are investing in crypto in general, you know. So also with this segment with Ethereum, I'm expecting that we're gonna have the 10K. I only don't know for sure that it is gonna happen in this cycle though. But I'm expecting that Ethereum is gonna reach 6K at least for this cycle. That's what I'm expecting for real. And it depends really on like how the alt season is gonna start and how the alt season is gonna go as well, because like when the Bitcoin dominance is gonna drop, then we gonna have like segment that Ethereum is gonna take over everything, and from that segment we are just have to wait. Also, I can show you like the segment I want to talk about with the phase 2 of Ethereum. This is like the segment that we are right now still, but like the phase overlap, what is already starting to trickle into large caps. What you can see over here, the money is starting to trickle into large caps. So what you can see with these kind of things are like that you can see like large buy-ups happening. And large caps, then we are talking about Ripple, HBAR, Cardano, all those kind of coins that are just pushing up like crazy on phase 3. So like he is starting trickling already to phase 3, but we're still not even close yet to the end of Ethereum yet. That's why I'm also wants to see like all these kind of movements and want to keep this cheat sheet with me. Because I can tell you guys, this one, take otherwise a picture or pause it or like whatever, and like take a picture of this cheat sheet and keep it with you. What you can do with this sheet is literally you can check on how the phases are working in the market, and you can see literally like, okay, this is like what is happening right now, and this is where we are right now as well. So also with the phase overlap, for example, let me go to my what is it, with Ripple, for example, HBAR, you can see literally like buy-ups, like crazy buy-ups, like from here, example like this is like a little bit long time ago, but like this was like crazy buy-up when HBAR was doing, but here this was like one of the biggest buy-ups already. You know, these are like the kind of movements where you want to see. Okay, those are like the kind of things what you are focusing on. Also with Ripple, for example, over here, like we're starting lightly with buying ups already. For Acceler, we had over here, for example, a big buy up, and like Arbitrum was also like kind of movements over here, for example, as you can see. Arbitrum is also doing really good lately. And Algorand as well. Here, look at this. The Wednesday, 9th of July. You know, so these are like the kind of movements, guys, like that you want to follow up. You know, these things are like really important, just to see like what you can see with what's gonna happen with the market, and also so with phase 2 Ethereum. Think HBAR going much lower, bro. Yo, BB, how you doing, man? Long time no see. Is it gonna go lower? Well, to be honest, I didn't like check yet this the chart yet for today, because I am like more in investing. I'm more in, like to invest like in HBAR lately. But the thing is, what I can see already, like the support, what we have on the support line over here. Like, look how many times it touches already this this level over here. So I can tell you, like, I'm expecting that we're gonna have some interesting things on this one. But what can go happen, like for example, what you can see over here already, literally that he maybe can break through a little bit, like with this week, what you can see over here. This is like a segment what I was telling you about, with also with about Ethereum. Like, these are like the kind of touches already what we have. This one, and here's another one, and now he touches again the support line. So like on these kind of levels, you can maybe trade on it on H-bar for these kind of things, but it's something really funny to see. But damn guys, like H-bar is, I don't think he's gonna drop down lower because of this support line, but if it happens, I would say buy. Just buy some H-bar, you know, to be like cheap for these kind of things. The Genius Act. This is the favor of stablecoins, and most stablecoins are on Ethereum, so I expect Ethereum to benefit greatly from it. Yeah man, I'm also thinking like that Ethereum is gonna have like a great benefit from that, for sure. InfoTrainer, hey, how many people are in the TG group? Can I trade with them? You can sure like trade with them, but like there's like, we just started it like last Saturday, I think. So like it is still like in a kind of way, like it is still going a little bit slow, but that's because like it just started yet. No, not a lot of people knows about it yet, you know, and now people are seeing it from videos as well. So like, yeah, it is gonna be like a really exclusive group where people that wants to join, yeah, can join actually. And to be honest, it is actually totally free, so it's like really, really good to join with these kind of things. With Ethereum, if you blink, you kind of miss it, lol. Yeah. Also, last dip on Ethereum, people thought it would erect like 3250, but so much demand, it never reached there. Now, man, like if people are expecting like that he's gonna reach like the 3250, I'm not expecting that. No, I'm not at all. 3250, that is literally over here. That was literally the seller side liquidity, what you could see over here. That was this push over here. Over here you could have like a clean trade, what I had, I think. Let me check. I had like good trades over here. Yeah, here, this is literally what I had. That's crazy actually. Wait, let me remove this all real quick for you guys. Here you go. And this one also over here. Okay, there you go. Look, these were like the trades what I had for this, like from the last times or something. Like this trade over here, for example, was a really clean one. Then we had like a short over here, what was really good, and then again a long after that, exactly on that 250 level, or like a little bit less, a little bit more, I mean. So like these kind of trades were like looking really clean, you know. And now we literally have like, we're in this segment over here that we had like an expectation that what is gonna happen. So like, and I showed you already with this with these lines as well, with the path, but I can show you like that we are now literally, yeah, on this segment over here, that he can reach this level or he's gonna go from there. So like the trades are going pretty well, to be honest, but unfortunately that we're just a little bit too were a little bit too risky on the stop losses. If you can check total free USDT, Bitcoin, you will see 0.37. We need to see 0.25 before all season starts. So I think all alts will go down next month against Bitcoin. Yeah, the thing is, like, if you're gonna look up in total, yeah, with the total free as well. This is what you can see over here. Like, the thing is, what we are waiting for some crazy things with it, but again against the Bitcoin, then I have to like check like how I can do that, bro. But I will come back on that one. I was thinking, man, have a look at this 3-day Bitcoin chart. Check inverse head and shoulders, the neck line shooting through, Bitcoin touching the trend line. Let's see, because I think I already know what you're talking about, to be honest, because I also had like a head and shoulders, but that was like over this one. Let me check for you, man, bro. let's see. I'm gonna remove this segment real quick. And this segment, I'm gonna put it in here as well. Like the thing is, what you can see over here, yeah, like this is exactly the movement what I think you were talking about. This segment, I think. This is like what you were talking about, BBB. Yeah, because like I can tell you with this deckline as well as an extra confirmation, you can use it like to buy even more on Bitcoin, to be honest. The only thing is where I'm like curious about is if he's gonna reach this order book over here. It depends on it because like it's a 110k level. That's like something what is usually can be like something good actually. Yeah, that 0.618 VIP level, it never reached there, but I think people were waiting to buy. Yeah, man, I think so too. That's why you don't want to be actually too greedy with these kind of things, because I was also greedy. I told you free USDT Bitcoin. Okay, let's see, bro. Let's see. Total 3 USDT. I don't think he can look it up like this, bro. To be honest. Let's see. Okay, and then like over here, and then it says Bitcoin. Yeah, that's not like how it works, I think. That's unfortunately, because I'm not good at those kind of things to do it together. I hope we saw the bottom on this dip yesterday on Ethereum, bro. GS, I can tell you, bro, if he's gonna reach like a kind of dip, in a kind of way, I can tell you we're gonna have some, we're gonna buy some more in. That is like the only thing what I would say, man, with these kind of things. Because like the thing is, what you can see over here right now, that we're actually now pretty bullish actually again. Like what you can see over here, like he's now reacting actually on everything over here, so it's looking pretty good. And for you, YA7, I'm sorry, bro, but I don't know how to put those kind of things together. I'm not good at those kind of charts to make it. I'm gonna look at it maybe after the live stream, okay? So guys, we're gonna look a little bit further about the segments what I have for you. For example, with this segment over here and with this one together, actually. These are like the kind of three things what we have. So I got here dump, I got twice it. I'm sorry guys. Here you go. So like what you can see over here, literally what is looking, to be honest, like so clean and so expected from the market. We literally predicted actually a kind of way what they gonna give us and what they were gonna say. Literally he reached almost the 4800 level on Ethereum. Like it was 4772, so it was almost reaching like the newer of the higher high, but he already resisted. So I think there was like an order block over here that he reached, and that now is going to the downside, so the 4k level. But I also said to you, GS, for example, this is like the kind of levels what we want to see, because then we can buy again that he is gonna break through to a newer higher highs. So also for the people that are expecting like, oh no, Ethereum is gonna go down. Yes, because he had reached almost like already the newer higher high. That is now the newer resistance level that we have to focus on. We got this now as a support level, and we got this segment as a resistance level. So now we can play literally on these kind of different levels with Ethereum. That's why I was first short, and then I want to be long again. And that is why I am also like in general want to focus on Ethereum for these upcoming weeks, because I can tell you, like, if Ethereum is gonna reach the 4k round up, maybe 4100, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more, I am ready to buy even more in with Ethereum, for real. Because like, even though I bought maybe the high in again, but like I can tell you, you're making money out of it. Because Ethereum is, I'm not gonna say that he's not gonna drop down or anything, but I'm expecting that yeah, Ethereum is just gonna pump up like crazy. So also what you can see over here, for example, with the dump, what you can see over here, literally it happened like 3 times now already. So with this one, with the dump, what you can see, all the resistance now support level and did go up like crazy. Now again over here with a dump, so all the resistance now it's as a support. And now we are exactly in the same movements again with the old resistance, and now it is support. And this is like why it is so interesting and so important to show you guys, like why this is so important for Ethereum to show you, because Ethereum is showing like really good confirmations with these kind of things. I think the bottom is already in personally. You mean with Ethereum? Because like the bottom, what it has right now is like, yeah, if he's gonna drop down further than 3,800 or something, then yeah, then I'm gonna be scared. Yeah. Or there's like an order book or something where we have to what he wants to fill up. That's also gonna be possible. But like you can see over here, for example, with the old resistance, and now it's gonna be a support. So I'm still thinking that we have like some good and crazy potential with Ethereum. Yeah, showing some good signals past hours. Oh, for Bitcoin. Yeah, it can be possible, IBB, that I think the bottom is already personal. I think the bottom is already in personally. Yeah, I think so too, man. Like that he reached now a bottom, and that we're gonna have like newer higher highs for Bitcoin. And also for UGS, like yeah, showing some good signals past hours. Yeah, for example, had a look earlier on Bitcoin liquidation heat map. Ah, and what did you think about it, bro? Let me know. But yeah, for UGS, for example, with Ethereum, this is like, for example, like the kind of movements what you want to see actually. You can see as well, and this on the 2 daily time frame. So what you can see as well, he literally touched the support level, and now he did go up again. So like these are like the kind of movements where people are expecting that we're gonna have like some crazy new highs from here eventually. Yo, Mihao, how you doing, man? What are the odds to come and read this in the next couple of days? I can tell you, bro, like what I'm expecting what's gonna happen with this support level over here. Let me make it a little bit thicker otherwise. Yeah, this better. Like that we have like this support level over here. Oh no. We're gonna have a support level on the 4K level. And I think that maybe he can reach that level already, or he's just gonna go up from this order book over here, which you can see already. We're now in profit again. Let me see. There, we're now up on almost 12% already. So on Ethereum, for example, and with Bitcoin, we're a little bit in a loss right now. But that is because like Ethereum was dropping like pretty hard, so I can tell you. But we're still not out of our trade, so I can tell you we're still gonna have some interesting things. Oh yeah, there you go. This is like a different kind of high. Let me remove this one real quick. There you go. There you go, guys. So like these are like the kind of levels where you want to focus onto. And like for example, still with he is also now in a CME gap, which you can see already. So like it's a little bit busy with this with the drawings that you can see, but like he's now in a CME gap and the order book what it has still. So like we are still actually in a really good position still, to be honest. And I'm expecting some crazy good trades eventually from it. Let me see actually, like can I the open orders? Here we go. I'm just pretty curious. Why do I have to? Oh my god, unbelievable. Okay, yeah, I am not a robot. Thank you very much. There we go. Okay, where were we? Sorry guys, he just locked me out or something. I don't know what it is. I think like one of my colleagues logged in before it. So yeah, the open orders, for example. Let me see. If he wants to load, please. Where is my internet, guys? Unbelievable. There you go. There is it. Okay, the close long on stop loss, I put it at 110k. Just so you know, guys, I was placing it in like a secure placement. Also with Ethereum, I had my stop loss at 3900 and my TP is gonna be at 4850. So like those are like the kind of levels what I want to see. So also with Bitcoin, for example, let me go to Bitcoin, what you can see now. Let's see. Here, this is like the segment where I'm now down a little bit. He's now on 111, oh, 113k even. But yeah, we're still not even close to our stop loss yet. And I think what we can see already with the analysis what we have over here. Let me place our stop loss a little bit clean. So like 110k, that's round up here. These are like the kind of expectation what we had. You know, so like for example, I'm still expecting that we're gonna have some crazy good trades on top of it on this one, okay? And I can tell you guys, like we just have to we just have to be like patient. Actually, guys, that is like the only thing what we can do right now. We just have to be patient because like he now touches literally the trend and support line as well. With the CME gap, he got filled up and he just picked up all those orders. We're gonna have some interesting things with Bitcoin, guys. I can tell you right now. Yeah, some really interesting things. Let's see. I missed a lot of chat, I think. Let's see. So also with for you and me, how with what are like the kind of expectations? My expectations are that he can reach like this support level already, or he's just gonna he now picked up like all these orders over here, and that he's now gonna go to the upside from there already. So we just have to wait for that segment. There's billions to liquidate back up to 124,500. Yeah, bro, but he already passed that segment. That's why he picked up he picked already the lows. Yeah, he picked the lows already. So now he is just wants to go to the upside from there. That's like my opinion. Huge ratio of shorts against longs on Bitcoin liquidation heat map in short range. Okay, interesting. Huh, really interesting. Yo, D, how you doing, bro? I'm guessing we drop more if Bitcoin doesn't close above 115k in the next 2 days. Yeah, man. Like what you're saying, D, indeed. Like the thing is, what I'm also expecting that we actually now gonna go up again. The thing is, like what you can see over here, and there's like some technical facts what I've learned. The thing is, what you can see over here, that he swiped literally this low. Literally, he swiped this low where it was liquidity, but it's looking really clean as well, you know. And if you're gonna look at the 8-hour time frame, for example, this order book over here also got like picked up as well with it. So like these are like stacking up on confirmations already, okay? And what you can see now, it looks like that he wants to go to the upside from here. So he just picked up all those orders, all those kind of movements, and now he wants to reach like newer levels actually, to the upper side actually. So that is something what I am, yeah, but I'm just really curious about like what's gonna happen on it as well. And I think if he's gonna reach like 115k, then we know for a fact that he made a change of character, and from there we're gonna have some crazy interesting moves, to be honest. And I am thinking like that he's gonna reach like these kind of levels indeed. Like for what you said as well, the like 115k is looking pretty clean, to be honest. So yeah, let's see, bro. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna talk a little bit further about Ethereum right now. What you can see over here with Ethereum and the golden cross, with the breakout incoming as well on Ethereum already. That means that we are like expecting like some good crazy moves with Ethereum. Also with the golden cross on the MACD as well with it, means that we are actually expecting some crazy and good moves. I'm just repeating myself actually right now, but still it is like everyone knows this this pattern already. And like with these kind of patterns, you know already like what the expectations are for Ethereum. Also, if we're gonna look a little bit further with Ethereum as well with it, and this with the bullish pendant pattern, you can see literally the facts what it has over here. You want to see it actually a little bit like this, better. And the thing is, what we are expecting now, like he broke out already. So the only thing what we are literally waiting for, and this on the monthly time frame, so don't forget about that segment, that we're literally waiting actually on the movement that he's gonna go down, what we already, what it is already doing actually. And with that segment, when he's doing that, then we can pump up like crazy when he's making a retest from there. So that's why we are expecting like a small consolidation to the downside or an accumulation actually, and then reaching the newer highs. That is why it is so important to follow up these kind of patterns and know like what the expectations are. I really hope so. Many big bears divergence on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and so is forming an Ampere now. Yeah, bro, like that he's yeah, I know, I already get what you mean. BB, hey bro, has your friend she does the videos think this name is Tom? Yeah. Does he think we're going much lower? As a friend so does the, well, I don't think he I don't know if he thinks that he is going that he is expecting that we're going lower. At on his chart around 112 600, but did say maybe 111. Okay, interesting. Then I just want to know like what the reasons are that he's reaching those kind of levels. I think because of this segment over here. Let me check it real quick, because like if Tom is expecting those kind of lows, there is then a kind of reason behind it. But then it depends on like what it is. Woo, yeah, okay. I wrote as your friend who does the videos. Think his name is Tom. Yeah, that his name is Tom indeed. Does he think we're going to much lower? Well, to be honest, I don't think he is not thinking about that segment that we are going lower than this segment already. What he can expect indeed that we maybe can reach those kind of lows on a few certain reasons. The thing is, like, if that's gonna happen, the reason is because there's like an order block over here, for example. Okay, it is in a really good buying zone as well. So that means that we are literally actually waiting for those kind of movements when he's gonna do that. But if that's gonna happen, then we're not even like in the segment with the neckline again. So then the neckline just got broken through it, to be honest, and that's why I'm not thinking that that we're gonna reach the levels. And also for Tom, to be honest, I haven't heard from him like the expectations from Bitcoin yet. So that's maybe a segment where we have to wait for. Had on his chart around 112 600, but did say maybe 111. Yeah, the thing is, bro, like 112, so that's already a pretty low level, to be honest. Let's see, 112 600, so that's around up here. Let's see, yeah, then he's expecting that he's gonna reach those kind of lows. That is like what is gonna happen after that. Because like the thing is, like, what is gonna happen with those kind of things, what I'm expecting that he was talking about, that he's gonna reach these kind of levels, what he just did actually with Bitcoin. So it looks pretty clean if I can see it like this. And he says also 111k, so then we are talking about this segment. Then I'm thinking that he's talking about a gap, what is over here. But like what you can see over here, if you're gonna look at the weekly time frame, for example, you're gonna fill up those gaps, then you have it like in this segment over here. But the thing is, I am not expecting that we're gonna have the 111k, and if he's gonna do that, then he wants to reach this order block at least. So like the 112 600 level, that is gonna be like an impossible option for sure, because you already reached that level even. So yeah, man, I think even that he was right that we reached those kind of levels, that he is now ready to pump up again from there. But we just have to wait and have to be patient on that segment right now. So yeah, if we're gonna talk a little bit further on Ethereum, with BlackRock institutional player by the fear. So over here, what you can see with the on 11th of June, there was a dump of 27%. What did BlackRock? They literally bought the fear dump actually, and again in 28th of July. They bought again on on Ethereum, and now again with the 14th of August, they bought again the dump from 12%. So BlackRock is just stacking up like crazy in Ethereum lately, and it is like unbelievable how much money they're pumping in right now. If you put the trend line to the close on the 3-day candles, see what you think then, bro. Let's see, man. So you say on the 3 daily candles, but like for example, because you can see it over here, you want to see it like from here, you mean? That's like I think what you meant, right? This one is also gonna be like a possible option, bro. This also, but then it still looks like really clean, so it doesn't like really matter, to be honest, if you're gonna put it from here or from here in general, because like the thing is that we're still having like some really positive moves from there. So still we're overall pretty bullish on that segment, even though like where your placement of the trend line is also with this segment over here then, because I get it for real, because like the thing is like it's still looking really clean, to be honest. But wow, man, I'm just really curious like what's gonna happen. Let's see. Oh, by the way, guys, about the trade, what we were talking about. Look at this one. It did go all the way back again, and now he's dropping down again. Like also with on dollar, what you can see over here. Like what the fuck? Oh, I was a little bit scared. I was already thinking like, hey, he didn't reach like the newer lows what I wanted to see, but now I'm expecting like why he was doing that. Okay, sure. Okay, so if we're gonna talk a little bit further about Ethereum right now, otherwise we're gonna be a little bit late with the analyzations what I have for you guys as well. So with BlackRock now, buying the actually the dips already from on 11th of June, the 28th of July, and the 14th of August, which you can see over here on what is it on Merlin, his X. On his X, which you can see over here with this segment over here. Massive. BlackRock just added 1.8 million Ethereum to their bags in a single month. That's 7.1 billion in fresh accumulation. The transfer of wealth is happening in real time. Institutions already moved, retail will chase later. Here, what you can see over here with the BlackRock, their portfolio, guys, like the net change already is on 6.9 billion, and they didn't take out their money out yet. Okay, so their holdings on is now literally on 101.61 billion dollars, and the holdings what they have is 94.71 billion dollars on themselves. Okay, and like that is something crazy. Okay, with these kind of things, because like BlackRock is just trying to stack up on Ethereum while they still can, when he's gonna reach the newer all-time highs, and then they want to sell that shit. So also over here, guys, like I can tell ya, we're still really bullish on Ethereum. I can tell ya, it's unbelievable. What the fuck? Oh, shit, man. So yeah, guys, like I can tell you, BlackRock is still making money like crazy. We're doing something wrong, guys, I can tell you. Look at Ethereum price in real time, very nice. Maybe yesterday fair was the bottom. Let's see, guys, the Ethereum price right now. Oh shit. Okay, hey, told ya. Maybe he's gonna reach like these kind of if he's gonna reach these kind of highs, what I want to see and want to expect that he's gonna reach that high, then from there he's gonna make a retest to the upper side. That's like what I want to see right now then. The low was in earlier, bro. Bitcoin went to 112. Yeah, that's what I meant. So like he reached already that level, and then from there he already is going to the upside. Albert Smith, stressmuziek. Erg Solvent. Oh, do you want me to put it lower otherwise? Lieve volksmuziek denk ik zo. Sorry guys, these are like some Dutch people that are... Let me put it a little bit lower for you, bro, no worries. There you go. Okay, so like if you are looking at the total facts what we have over here with the cup and handle pattern right now. Like the thing is, like what happened with the crypto total market cap excluding the Bitcoin, literally, like look at these movements from here. Like he pushed up like crazy from here, it made leave even like a newer higher high, and now he was going all the way back on a retest, and now he's pushing up like crazy again. So like we are expecting like some crazy movements on the for the total, excluding the Bitcoin. Also, what you have over here with the same crypto total market cap, like for the altcoins, but then excluding the Bitcoin, but with Ethereum, you can see already with this segment as well, with the support line over here, that we have literally like some crazy upside movement over here, even though it's like going really slow. But I can tell you guys, with the bullish crossover over here with the MACD as well, that we're expecting some crazy movements. Because you can see it as well over here, so this was the first crossover, it did go up. Then from here again a crossover, it did go up like crazy even. That was like a really big push. Now again over here, again a crossover, it did go up again. And now again here a crossover. Relax muziek beter. I can tell you, Albert, for the next time I'm gonna look also for some new music maybe. And yeah, the thing is like we can't have like people are gonna like what is it again? That they can take out our our live stream videos, you know. So that is like the thing where I am like focused on that we don't have copyright music. But yeah, man, so like for example with this segment over here, altcoin market cap, I'm showing you guys this every time, but this is like one of my favorite charts, to be honest, to focus up on, that we are still like really bullish on altcoins as well. So if you're gonna look a little bit further with the crypto total market cap, then you also can see like literally the altcoin season is like brewing up like crazy actually already. But you can see already with this segment over here, and now what you can see over here with this segment over here, you can see that he made a retest actually, and now he's building up like crazy. So he made already newer higher highs, and actually if I excuse me, and if you can see already like this level over here, it looks like that the resistance level is now actually a support level from here. So like also with this crypto market cap, what you can see, that we're expecting like some crazy movements to the upside. And also if we're not missing that segment, we're now actually also having we also gonna start with the 500% pump as well over here with the crypto total market cap excluding the Bitcoin and Ethereum. And our target is gonna be like $5 trillion. So like I can tell you, we're gonna have some crazy pump ups like in the upcoming months. That's like I can tell you already, guys. Like wow, it is looking really good with the crypto total market caps right now. And like Ethereum is doing some crazy shit. Hey, hello Ethereum, thank you. You're doing a great job. Keep on going. Thank you. Where do you think the highest point will be on total crypto market cap in value, bro? I think in 5 trillion, man. Like what I'm showing you over here with the target. That's like my goal, at least. So what you can see over here, last time it had also a 500% pump. And now with this support resistance level, well, it was first a resistance, now it is a support level. With this support level with it as well, then we're gonna have again a 500% pump. That's like what I'm expecting, and the target is gonna be then around 5 trillion round up. Maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more. So yeah, those are like the kind of what I'm expecting with the altcoin market cap for sure. So also what we're gonna do now, guys, is we're gonna have a quick break. So that we're gonna have some we're gonna have just a quick break right now. Because I also need some coffee, I can tell you. I'm gonna have like a really busy day for today. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have a quick break for like 10-15 minutes or so. I'm gonna grab some coffee, maybe eat gonna something, I don't know, like whatever. And like then what I want you guys want to do, put your favorite coin in the chat, and then we can analyze it. Okay, so we got AVEX already of Avalanche, we got Cardano, we got Solana already, and we got Python already. And yeah, what is it? We can also maybe trade on Bitcoin or Ethereum, but we still have a trade on that segment. So like we're gonna see. Very nice. Enjoy the profits. See you all next time. Yes, you're gonna leave. It's not the end of the live stream, bro. We're gonna have some maybe some crazy interesting yeah. What is it? Some crazy interesting analyzation. H-bar. Oh, good one, man. I like that one. H-bar is coming right up. So yeah, put your favorite coins in the chat. Then I will be back in like 10 minutes or so, maybe 15 minutes. So on 11:30 I will be back for you guys. Okay? See you in 15 minutes, guys. Thank you for watching so far.
like bringing life straight out of your soul. So here it is. It's like bringing life straight out of your soul. You got soul. Soul.
Yo guys, I'm back again. What the fuck is happening with Ethereum, guys? Unbelievable, he's reaching already $4,300. What? How is it even possible that I was missing this fact? What the fuck? Bro, GS, you're totally right. I totally missed this segment already. Like, what? Whoa, man. That's crazy. These are some crazy good pumps, I can tell you. Like, wow. Well, guys, like, welcome back to, after this break. I hope you got some, like, interesting or some good, things I can tell you right now. Because, like, wow, Ethereum is now reached $4,300 already. Jesus. Ethereum enjoying a nice rating. Let's get it. Yeah, man, it's happening, man. Yeah, GS, I am telling you. See, I told you already. Like, when you bought that 4,200 was also not even a bad placement, and this is like exactly what I'm talking about, man. This is looking really good. Jesus Christ. Whoa, man. Wow, looking really good. Okay, so what we're gonna do, bro, can you look at near Yo, Abdullah, yeah man, of course I can look at Near for you. Let's see, Near, I think it was this, no, that's grass. Oops, Near, where are you again? This was Near, yeah, here you go. Ah, look at this segment over here, guys, as well. Wow, we had two movements where it could go, and like one of them, it did go. But you can see over here, for example, guys, like over here, yeah, it literally reached like a he reached like a newer, not in like a newer high, but he swiped literally the liquidity over here, guys, like really cleanly actually as well. He literally swiped it and did go to the downside, what you can see over here. Like, Abdullah, can you see this already? Like from the last live stream, what I told you already with Near, that we're expecting or it did go up from here or it did go down, and like what happens? It did go to the downside, and now this order block over here is now our next goal to then go from this segment to over here right now. These are like the newer expectations what we have then for today with Near for sure. But wow, looking really good, man, to be honest with Near right now. Like that it did go down to the downside movement as well, swiped it over here, and now what we are literally have to wait for actually that we going to the downside over here to this order block is gonna fill up, and then he's moving to the upside from here with Near. Maybe it's gonna be a little bit a shorter one of this one, but yeah, this because like we had already like a small analyzation what it has. Like here, what you can see, like it touched literally barely like the order block, and now he swiped and did go to the downside. Really clean, like really clean. Let me change this real quick to a X, so that he swiped it. That's like our movement. So that he swiped it and did go to the downside. Clean, like I like it. I love it even. So now what we're having for with Near for like this upcoming movements are these expectations. What you can see over here, this 3 daily order block is a movement what we are now want to wait for. When he's gonna reach that level, we want to see like some movements. For example, that he is making like a big low, picking up all those orders with the order book, and then he's making like a newer higher high eventually, and then retest on the order book, and then go to the upside from there again to reach these kind of levels over here. And then over here are also some levels. So we are gonna see like what Near is gonna bring us for you, Abdullah. I hope you are expecting, or I hope you can see already like what my intentions are with Near for today. So yeah, man, these ones are like looking really good, to be honest. Also, if I'm gonna put like a notch over it, you can see already he's like in a really clean buying zone as well then. So let's see what that one is gonna bring us, okay? So if we're gonna start from H bar for today, you can see already like that H bar is making like an M movement over here. H bar as well with the support line, what is looking like what is looking actually pretty clean, to be honest. That we have like a 8-hour order block, or is this a 4-hour? This is 4 hour. The 4-hour time frame. You can see literally over this segment over here that we have some interesting things. Also this segment over here, that we have like now a 4-hour order block over here, and like what you can see as well, that he reached again the support line, and now actually pretty bullish on H bar, to be honest. Maybe we can make a trade for today on this one, because like the thing is, what I can see already from here is that we have some building up liquidity over here. Okay, first of all, so this segment already like has a lot of liquidity on it. So what we can do is actually we can look for these kind of levels over here. So the 0.26. So what we can do is like we're gonna place I think we're gonna place a long on the H bar for today, guys. I like this trade a lot, to be honest. The only thing what we want to see now, because excuse me, that's not what I wanted. The thing what we want to focus on right now is this segment over here. Let's check what it has. So did he? Let me remove this one. I'm getting annoyed by it. Gone. Yes, perfect. Okay, what you can see over here, he's making literally like now already a newer. He made already a change of character over here, and also as well what you can see over here, he literally swiped the downside already from here. So now he's ready to make a move to the upside. The only thing what we now want to see on a H bar actually is literally this segment over here, and that was from here making a retest and pushing up to the upside from here. This is literally actually what we want to see is from here. Bro, can you look at near? Thanks, Justin. No problem, bro. No problem. It was maybe a small one, but like now you understand like yeah, what our expectations are from near again, you know, because like it's a little bit like a ping pong thing with that one. So what you can see over here right now with H bar for you, BB, for mostly because you want me to analyze it. You can see literally that he made now a newer higher high. So a change of character even. So let me do that for you. Shock. There you go. And now we want to see like actually a retest on this level over here. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place it a little bit more safe even, and we're just gonna trade on this one for now already. And this one is gonna be a market order for me. Music is too loud. Okay, no worries, bro. I will put it lower. Let's see. Is this better, Proto Man? I hope this is a little bit better. So let me know. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna trade on H bar for today. So what we're gonna do is let's go to H bar for today. H bar. Oh, yeah, there you go. Man, what is with my internet today? No. Again, H bar. Here you go. God damn it. There you go. Finally. Took a little bit, but there you got something as well, huh? Man. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna place a trade on H bar for today. I also like to have like 1-2% risk on a leverage. And what we're gonna do on our TP is gonna be at this level, so 0.26 32, 0.26 832, and then our stop loss is gonna be at 0.22 300. I'm gonna round up 0.22 300, and also I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna put this at 800 to have like nice levels around it. And then I want to have like a 2% out of this one, and actually we can do a limit order, but we can also do like a market order. This is also gonna be fine. It depends on it. It depends on, actually you want to wait literally for like a retest. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna place a limit order indeed, and then we're gonna place our limit at 0.23 400. So that is what I'm gonna do. 400. Oh, our thing is gone. Well, no worries. I remember it out of my head right now, so that's totally fine. Nope, this is, no, wait a second, it was the right one, right? 300, almost. 300, here you go, amount of H bar 2%. And yeah, let's open our long for here today, man. Interesting. This one is looking really good. I really want to see like a retest on H bar for today, and when that's gonna happen, I can tell you we're gonna have some good move ups to the upside actually. So let's see, and otherwise maybe I want to change it to 450 actually. Otherwise I'm gonna do that real quick. Let me change that real quick. Otherwise order price and order price for not 400 but 50, 450. And we know that he is gonna reach those kind of levels. Here we go. Okay, so if we're gonna look a little bit further for H bar, we're looking really bullish for today. So I'm liking this trade a lot. As well, if we're gonna look a little bit further, so H bar we're gonna now go to Python, And Python did exactly actually what we did, or what we expected to do. So for example, what you can see on the left side, you can see already with this gap that he filled it up and did go to the downside again from here. Now what did Python do again? Well, he left this order block, but this gap over here, he filled it up and did go to the downside again. So now he's making again a new swing. Now we can look at a few different levels. For example, maybe for a long for a little bit. So what you can see over here, for example, is like that we have an order block over here in the buying zone as well, and he's making like a newer like a change of character as well on top of it. So what you can see over here, for example, that you this fact over here, like he touched literally the same level, almost like a double bottom, to be honest. Let me look close to it. Oh no, okay, he didn't like, it was not like a double bottom, unfortunately. But I can tell you, like, he reached like the same kind of levels. He reached like these orders over here, and now what you can see over here, that he's pumping up actually to a newer highs, and I am expecting that he is gonna reach like these kind of levels for sure, and maybe he's gonna reach even higher levels from there. So maybe what is also going to be possible, so for example, if we're going to go back for the 4-hour time frame, that he wants to reach for this order block over here, and that this could be actually your trade already. So like with Python, I can tell you that we are like in a bullish movement right now, and I'm expecting that we're gonna reach like this these order block. Why? Because from there we're gonna reach then again and another low. That's like how I'm looking at it for a fact. Some soul technical analysis, please. No problem, bro. We're gonna do that as well. So yeah, this is with Python for you guys, like what you wanted me to do to analyze it. Near we had already. So now we're gonna have some Sol. So with Sol, it is a little bit different right now, because like Sol has reached like already some multiple yeah, the resistance levels. Actually, I can tell you, the thing is with the resistance levels, what we had already was over this segment over here, or liquidity levels, I'm telling you. And like you can see already that he reached literally those levels and now did go down again from there. So what can we do now about it? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the 4-hour time frame, and we're gonna remove this segment over here, because there are like some things what I want to discuss with you guys with Sol today. So what you can see over here with the horizontal line, what you can see over here, so it's looking really good. Now what we can do is we can look for like actually a buy. The thing is, if you're gonna draw a Fibonacci over here on this segment, and it's like on the 8-hour time frame, which is also looking really clean, you literally can see, and that's what I like the most, that there's like an order block over here, and like it got filled up like really clean actually. So for you, D, also, like what you can see already, like that you literally can see like that we have like actually now a bullish upward movement. Hey Kelly, how you doing? Welcome to the live stream. So what you can see over here, like for example, that over here are like some people that were sellers. So he probably wants to reach those kind of levels. So what you can do, and what I like to see as well, that he literally was reaching like for newer lows every time over here. And now eventually, like this is the last low what it has. Unfortunately, he didn't swipe it. So like that's like gonna be like an ugly low what he's creating. But that means also that we can go to the lower side eventually again over here. So what it can go to, and what I'm expecting to have actually, because he's now making like a newer, he made already like a change of character over here, but is what I like to see a lot. Yeah, let me so over here like a chalk, and like what we want to see, what's gonna happen is that he's gonna make a retest out of this segment, and then from here he's gonna reach newer highs, and then I want to see like these kind of levels over here. So for example, that you have like this as a trade, to be honest. So this is gonna be like a really clean one actually to look for Solana, to be honest. Like I like this trade a lot. I'm like to trade on H bar for today because that one has like a strong low on it. Andy, hey bro, hope you're doing well. Looks like AP3 will follow the moves from Link, but a bit fast. Can you please take a look at API3? Thanks, bro. No worries, Andy. I will do that gladly for you. And I'm fine. Thank you for asking, man. So for you, D, as well with Sol, I think that we're gonna have some upward movements for this upcoming week with Solana. So let's see like what's gonna happen, man, with that one. Okay. So now we're gonna have some ADA as well. AP3, I have to look it up as well. So let me do that because I don't think I have APE3. Here you go. There you go. And I'm gonna put that as well over here, and I will come back on that one. Okay, I'm first gonna do ADA, and then I'm gonna go back on AP13. So what we're gonna have over here are like some certain levels what he reached already. Like that is like our expansion with ADA. What you can see over here, like we are a little bit too how can you say it? We were a little bit too aggressive, or I was a little bit too aggressive with our trades, unfortunately. Oh, that's not what I meant. Because like he reached first like a newer high over here because there were probably a lot of sellers over this segment, what I probably missed, and that's why we had our stop loss on this one. But you can see literally after that segment, and that's over here, that he literally had like a crazy move to the downside actually from here already. So what we can do, we can look on the 8-hour time frame and like let's see like what it's gonna give us. So first of all, he still didn't make our order block. He still didn't reach it yet. So we still want to wait for this segment over here. And when he's gonna do that, because I can tell you, then we can reach probably for newer highs even. Because the thing is, like, we're still pretty bullish actually on ADA right now. And I can tell you, like, for example, if I'm gonna make the path, you can see already when he's reaching this level, you want to see that he's gonna make a higher high, make a retest, and then reach that level over there, the newer highs with the liquidity over here, what you can see. So these segments over here are like looking really clean so far, and he's reacting on everything what I was drawing for you guys. But I can tell you, like, from this segment and then from this on all, I can tell you that we're gonna have some bullish movements on ADA. Sunny greetings from Bali to everyone. From Bali. Is it some nice weather over there, bro? Like a good friend of mine is now also in Phuket, I think, and I'm also planning to go to Asia, guys. By the way, so yeah, that's like a thing that I had to tell you guys actually. Guys, something really important, and this is we don't forget about this one because now it is the 20th indeed. So next week on the 30th. On a Saturday of August, I am flying to Asia. That means that I also can't live stream for you on that day. Okay, so these are like the last 3 live streams when I'm in the Netherlands still. Also, what is important for you guys to know, that I'm also gonna live stream a little bit less because I'm in Asia, because I'm planning to travel a lot. With my girlfriend, and with this kind of things, it's really important that I also need to have time for myself with these kind of things. I love to live stream for you guys. I'm also planning to do a live stream here and there. It depends on like how the weather is and the connections and everything. But so also for you guys, I am yeah, for me it's also gonna be like a big trip, and that means also that I am gonna be less live streaming on those moments. Where are you going? I'm going myself to Thailand at the end of the month. Yeah, man, I'm going to Thailand indeed for 2 months. Then I'm also planning to go to Vietnam for a month, and also a month to Bali. So I'm gonna go away for 4 months in total. So that means also for you guys that I have that we're gonna have maybe like 1 live stream in a week, or maybe like 1 live stream in 2 weeks. It depends on it, but we will post about it about it with my boss and with our team, and we gonna keep you updated with these kind of things when I'm going back. 3 months, no man, I'm going 4 months even. Weather's really nice here now, not too hot. Oh, that's good to hear, bro. That's really nice. I like that. Because I'm a cold person in that way. Okay, like too hot, I don't like it. That's like more what I would say. But yeah, guys. So like also with the live streams, it's gonna be a little bit less. So yeah, that's something important to tell you guys. Okay. Okay, so if we're gonna go a little bit further with Avalanche for today, right now, what we have are like some interesting things and some movements of Avalanche. I'm gonna remove a little bit a lot of things or some analyzations what we have over here already. The thing is, what you can see that he actually didn't reach like a newer higher high on Avalanche right now. The reason what I think is because there's like less people that are buying Avalanche right now. There's like not much strong upside liquidity on that segment. Thing is, like he reached like for this order book over here, what is looking pretty clean to be honest right now. But don't forget about this segment over here. Like there's now a new order book, so maybe what can happen. But you want to play it safe on this segment. If we're gonna go to the 4-hour time frames, what we want to do is that we have like this level over here, this liquidity for example, that we're gonna reach, like that we want to reach for those kind of levels. So what do we want to do or want to see? That he is gonna like reach, like that he's gonna reach for this level, then eventually he's gonna make a change of character, really important for you guys, and then from there he's gonna make a retest on the order book, and then he's gonna reach for these kind of levels with Avalanche. Okay. But I can tell you right now, it is a little bit risky to do this. Why? Because he didn't reach like for newer higher highs, so it looks like that he's making a change of character in general already. But the thing is, he still didn't make like a newer lower low either. So he's now in a consolidation phase. That is like the fact what we have to focus on about right now. But if I'm looking at like, let's see, on 4-hour time frames is like I think the best one personally. But you can see over here is like there's still an order block open over here, and like he didn't even reach it. So we are still in a consolidation phase on Avalanche right now. So yeah, this one is gonna be like really tricky to trade on right now. So that's why I wouldn't suggest to trade on Avalanche right now for today. Then Baraza, can you look or can you take a look at Notcoin? It's pretty unpopular, but I believe on the Ton network. Oh, on Ton network. I also invested in Ton a little bit, but it didn't go well to be honest with me when I invested in it. I was a little bit on the late side, I think. But let's see, Notcoin. I don't think I have that one even. Notcoin. Here you go, USDT. Or we can do Tether. Yeah, doesn't matter really much actually, to be honest, but still. Okay. Okay, we're gonna have that one as well. So Avalanche is also one what we have done, and Cardano. Let's see actually how Ethereum is doing right now, real quick. Like a quick checkup. And I can tell you, like the levels are going. Wow, it's going really strong, eh, guys? Still. Still going strong, guys, with Ethereum. Let's go. Same here. Thanks, bro. No worries. No worries. Okay, let's see. So we got Notcoin and we got AP13. Okay, first of all, with AP13, oh, whoa. Like, okay, well, okay, wait a second. Maybe we can do something about this one. Okay, what I can see from here already, that he made a crazy push. First of all, like, what the fuck was happening over here? That was literally yesterday. Wow. Okay, nice. Let's see. We're gonna start from the weekly because like some things important to see about. First of all, I can see already on a weekly that we're still in like actually in a bearish trend. Okay, even though we have a big pump. Thing is, he made like a newer higher high. But the difference is about this segment, he didn't make a higher high and like a legit one. Thing is, he actually swiped this level. That is literally what he did. He swiped that level. If it was a higher high, then what it should be was like a thicker candle over here. So then it should be higher than this segment over here. Okay, so this would be then a thick candle and not a wick. That is like something really important to know as a trader. You have to see that that the candle has to go through a higher high, and if it is a wick, then it is not like a legit higher high. Then it is, you can either or you can see it earlier than as a swipe. Okay, so that is something really important for you guys to know. Okay, second of all, he reached this order block over here, what you can see, and now he's going to the downside from there. Okay, so if we're gonna go now to the daily time frame, we're gonna remove this segment over here. Then what you can do now is literally this segment over here, and I'm gonna go to the downside. Oh, let me check that real quick over here. Perfect. And now you can see that there are like really clean sell placements over here. Only thing is, it is tough to sell on this segment already on this time frame, unfortunately. But if you're gonna go to the 8-hour time frame, the 4-hour time frame even, you can see literally there we can make another order block from here. But I can tell you, he's a little bit in the consolidation phase, to be honest, right now. So it's tough to trade on APE3 on this movement, because he has like a really big push still. And like if he has those kind of pushes, then it is it's a little bit more risky to trade on it, because otherwise my trade would be like this, to be honest, and then I want to reach for these kind of lows. But the thing is, like, yeah, it is we have to see, like, then he's gonna make like a lower right now, and then I'm meaning in a way like that he's gonna do this. So I want to see first that he's gonna reach again this order block. But first he has to reach, like, here's a newer lower low. Then from there he's gonna reach like a retest from here as like a quick swipe, and then he wants to go to the low from there. That's like what I would do then for AP13 or API3. I don't know like how I should pronounce it. So that is like how I would look at it for API3. But yeah, interesting coin, man, to be honest. Like, I didn't know that this one existed, and like it is he has some strong movements, to be honest, like for real. I like it a lot. And also what is important to realize there, I want to place it a little bit more safe, because like then you can take just your money out when he's gonna reach that level, and if he's gonna reach even lower levels, doesn't matter, you can buy up eventually after it again. Okay, so don't forget about that segment. Then we're gonna have the last coin already for today, and that's Notcoin, a new coin as well in our list, because guys, I can tell you, we have like a really big fucking list already today. It's crazy. Oh, Notcoin is actually not even that okay, interesting. This one is also a little bit new, I can see already. Okay, let's see what Notcoin has then for us, because I can tell you we are for sure we're gonna be bearish for this upcoming days with Notcoin. Then the thing is, because like Notcoin is, yeah, first of all, it's pretty new, what I can tell you already, but second of all, like yeah, like we can't trade on this segment over here, and we're still really bearish, so we just want to see like some good movements. And I can tell you right now that he did make some good movements. Okay. Oh, excuse me, guys. My alert was going off on Euro USD, so that's something really positive, I think. Yeah, good, crazy, really good. I can tell you guys, when he's reaching like these kind of levels, or he's gonna reach this TP, I can tell you guys, we're gonna have some crazy good levels. I can tell you. Hey, bro, did you look at H-bar? Yeah, bro, I did look at H-bar. Didn't you see it? Maybe you were maybe you were gone in the movement. I already placed even a trade on H-bar today. Here, look. Yeah, literally, I even placed a trade on H-bar for today, like on WEEX. Here, look, an open long at the order price at 23,450, and the TP at 26,822, and stop loss is gonna be at this. So, oh wait a second, let me Yeah, don't remind me again. I know. I just want to do this different. Perfect. Confirm. This is what I wanted. So this is our gonna be TP, and this is gonna be our SL, order price, and everything. Thanks, bro. I appreciate your thoughts. No problem, Andy. But also for you, BB, like this is like my expectations for HBAR for today. So for Notcoin, it is the fact what we have seeing over here with the daily. We can make maybe some analysis. The thing is, what you can see over here, what is looking really clean, to be honest. Like for example, this low, first of all, it just got touched. Okay, I don't think it got swiped. Otherwise, we have to look a little bit closer in it. But no, it doesn't look like it. I'm just moving my head even to maybe look it even closer, but that doesn't that doesn't work. It looks like a little bit of a double top. No, wait a second. No, it didn't reach it. Okay, what you can see already, it didn't reach it. It didn't swipe it and anything. So we're still like, so we're a little bit in the consolidation phase. But what is looking really clean already, that he reached like these kind of levels. Okay, that means that he swiped out literally that segment over here. So let me draw it otherwise. So this segment over here, what you can see, it got swiped out. Okay, that is looking really clean, and then it did go to the downside again from here. Now what is happening, he reached again like a newer level, like this segment over here. He got swiped out again, and over here, what you can see over here, here's some liquidity on the downside. So this segment over here, for example, is like now the movements where we want to focus on with Notcoin. What you also can see is like that this segment over here is looking actually pretty clean as a gap, what you can follow up. So what you have is literally this segment where like the sell momentum, where you could sell for in Wednesday, 23rd of July. Now what we are gonna do is we're gonna look a little bit closer now to it. So what we have now on the 8-hour time frame, what we're gonna do is like that we have literally the same movements already, but then a little bit different. So for example, like this highs got taken out, but you can see what's looking really clean, and as well like this order block over here looked also really clean to swipe out, and what you can see over here literally in the selling zone and drop down to the newer lower lows. Now the only thing is, what is something unfortunate with what we can't do anything about right now because we're too late with that one, is that we will have to wait now for another swing. So he has to make like another reaction to the upper side, so round up here some probably, and then he has to reach like newer lows again. But what we can do is we can maybe wait to look for a long position on this segment. So what we can do is like we are drawing like a Fibonacci over here to the highs, and now we have to look for like order blocks. So for like, for example, a gap or an order block are like the best ways to follow it up. Well, first of all, you can see already there's some liquidity over here. So first of all, I want to see like that segment is gonna take it out. But what you can see over here, that this order block got touched. It got reacted on it as well actually. So maybe he can already make a move on this segment over here, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Why? Because there's still a lot of liquidity on the downside. So what can happen is like that he's gonna reach these kind of highs, and then from there is gonna go drop further to the low. That's like what my expectations are, because I want to see first of all that this segment over here, so let me make a curve on top of it for you guys, that this segment has to take it out first before we're gonna make a long. Yeah, so that's why I was looking for shorts most of the times, because this is also like the same segment over here. You can see literally that there's also some liquidity over here. So that is like the kind of movements what we are waiting for right now. So what you want to see for Dan Barraza, for Notcoin, you want to see that he is gonna take it out this segment over here, and then making like an reaction to the upside from here. So this is like gonna be an option. Or what he's gonna do is he's gonna make a retracement to the upside first of all, and then we're gonna make a short to the downside from here. Okay, that's what I would do at least. And like what you also can see is like there's an order block over here, still what we can use for that segment. Okay, that is like how I would see for Notcoin for these upcoming days at least. But yeah, man, that is with that one you just have to wait, unfortunately, right now. because also like this is gonna be like our order block, I think, for that segment. Okay. SP legit. Yo, bro, how you doing? Hey, Justin. I've been really busy these days. Yeah, bro, no worries. I get it. I am also really busy these upcoming days, man. How do you think about Cardano? Betcher B. I already did Cardano, didn't I? Yeah, I think so. Let me see. But yeah, SP, I know, man. I'm also really busy lately. Also, I didn't know if you heard if you already discussed. No worries, bro. No worries. I can just show you like what I already expecting. With Cardano, it is like the movements. It is looking really clean actually for a long. Thing is, what is happening right now? We're pretty bullish right now. He's making higher highs and lower highs, which you can see over here, over this segment. Okay. Now what he's doing, he literally made with this order block, he made two movements. So first of all, here's a movement to the downside, swiped up some liquidity and picked up some order blocks, and now he's again to the upside, again this order block, where you can see now he's going again down till this order block, and he's picking up some orders from there. And now what I'm so expecting to do is literally the movements that he's gonna pick up this order block and then making a change of character to the upside over here, and then making retest to the upside from there, and then making hopefully newer higher highs, or for me, I want to see like that he's gonna reach this level over here, the 1.19, 1.20. That's like my expectations for Cardano. And also for you, SP, the thing is, bro, I'm going to Asia in like a week, now 1.5 weeks actually, on the next Saturday. So not this Saturday, but the next upcoming Saturday. I'm not gonna live stream because I am then on travels up to Asia. So also, guys, for the people that didn't heard it yet, I'm not gonna be live streaming on the 30th of August on the Saturday, because then I'm flying for the whole day, like 14 hours or so, or maybe longer. So which part of Asia? I'm gonna go to Thailand first of all for 2 months. Very nice, thanks for your input. No problem, Betcher. Then I'm also going to Vietnam for a month, and I'm also going for Bali for a month. So I'm gonna be gone for 4 months at least. And I'm gonna then fly back at the 29th of December or something. And then yeah, there's gonna be like New Year and everything. So then after New Year, I will be like gonna be again a little bit active on live streams. I'm gonna try to live stream at least maybe like once a week, maybe once in 2 weeks. It depends on it, like how the weather is going as well over there. So guys, for the people that that are new, I'm telling you this right now, and I'm gonna tell it on the last 3 live streams what we're gonna do. So yeah, guys, and we're also gonna have like a very long live stream on on the next week on Wednesday. Okay, if we get to 10k Ethereum, let's meet up at Bali. No, yes, that one is on. Okay. If he's gonna reach the 10k, I can tell you, bro, I am ready to spend some money in Bali. I can tell you already, bro. How long do you expect this next all-time season to last, based on previous cycles and banana runs? Well, I can tell you, bro, like it will take a little bit longer than we have. Like, let me have like over here. This is like the kind of all-season facts what you can see, okay? Thing is, like, I think we're gonna have like end of October roundup. Then we then gonna have some crazy movements that the all-season is gonna start, actually. So, and when it's gonna end, that's gonna be a top one, man. Because like the thing is, like, look at this segment over here. This is like so this segment over here, like this over here, was like gonna be the alt season at the end. So for example, this was at November at the end roundup, and this one ended around in June. You know, so like we can have like that. It would take a few months when that one is gonna start actually. And with this one, it took even longer, which you can see over here. This one literally did gewoon a whole year almost. No, that's not true. Wait. Oh, maybe, well, almost. You know, so like those are like the kind of movements what oh no, sorry, I'm doing it wrong. I'm doing I'm meant from here. Sorry guys. What you can see over here. So it started from April till December at the end of the year from this one. Now over here, what you can see is literally the segment over here. So over here, roundup, I can tell ya. Also, like started at March and then ended at November, and now again we have like the altcoin starts with this segment over here, so that he's gonna drop down from this segment. Oh, excuse me, guys. So and then we're gonna have like, for example, damn, what is happening with my mouse? So what we're gonna have is like again maybe a movement from here. So again, like it would take a long time when that's gonna happen. So that's a tough question, bro. I'm being informed about the markets through Tom's videos. Yeah, bro. Like I can tell you guys, you have to watch Tom's videos as well, man. He's making some crazy good predicaments right now with crypto in general. It is a really good one to follow it up, guys. We'll be still here. Let's meet and join some tasty bull coffee. No worries, Andy. We're gonna do that. No worries. Maybe we can have a meet and greet or something. Who knows? Safe journeys, bro. Make sure to try the Muay Thai training camp. Oh, thank you, Barasa. Maybe I will do that indeed. I was already thinking on it at least. But yeah, for you, Badger, what you can see over here, for example. I'm expecting that we're gonna have like some good movements on for this alt season what is coming up, because like alt season is already boiling already, and like in a good in a good way. Have a great long holiday, Justin. Yeah, thank you, SP. I'm gonna enjoy it for sure, man. And I'm also still gonna make maybe some analyzations, you know, when I'm there. How long till you can how you can do next live stream, bro? I can tell you, man, like it's gonna take like 4 months or something. That I'm maybe I am gonna live stream during those times. I don't know for sure. It depends on like how the weather is there and like the connection and everything. So no live stream while on holiday. Yeah, maybe BB. It depends really on it, because like what I'm now planning to do is like that I maybe can look for a that I can maybe do a live stream for like maybe once or in the 2 weeks, maybe that I'm gonna do that for have like a big checkup like how the markets is going. But we have to focus on those kind of things, you know. We have to wait for it, because I also can't predict like what the weather is gonna be there. That is why it is so important for you guys to let you know. Just don't forget to make to take profits. SP, I can tell you, like the profits what I took already, bro. I'm gonna use it for in Asia. Are you posting analysis anywhere? GS, maybe I can do it if you guys would like it. Maybe we're gonna start an X account, or a maybe we can have like YouTube shorts. Maybe that I can make small videos or something. Just let me know. Maybe we can do all those kind of things. Then tag Merlin under the description or something, or make a comment like, hey, let's make Justin let's make small videos or something. Maybe I can do that for you guys. I don't mind. I can't I only gonna say like that we're still gonna have some how can you say it, we're gonna still have some interesting things, because I can tell you guys, like the bull run of Ethereum is starting to come as well. Okay, while you're on holiday. Yeah, man. Yeah, bro, X account would be good. I only see you guys in YouTube. I don't use Telegram. Well, guys, yeah, guys. Like the thing is, like we have X where you can follow us, and like I can tell you guys, X is gonna be like is our main using account where we are posting everything about the upcoming trends and yeah, posts and everything for with the segment over here. Hey, here you go, guys. Here we are. No, so what you can see also with the videos what Tom is doing as well, so make sure to check that one out as well with Tom. because he's still gonna go on with making the videos as well, so don't forget about that one. But he's also making videos about crypto and everything to make some updates about it, okay? I use TG but cannot find the chat, only the page. Yeah, the thing is, bro, the chat, you can join it if you are joining us with the link in the description. And in there, if I'm having like an analyzation or something, even outside of the live streams and everything, I will post it as well in the Telegram group. So that group is gonna be like really exclusive for the people to join us in that way. Hey Justin, I'm late to the party today. Are we rich yet? Use predictions. How you doing, bro? Well, I can tell you, man. Like Ethereum is doing pretty well, to be honest, right now. It's doing okay, actually. Like we are like now in. Let me see. We are in now in 2 positions. We're almost $200, but we almost also are losing $200. So like we are like $20 in profit. That's what we like, huh? Oh man. D-Wave, hey Justin, I signed up for the private Telegram group with deposit in WEEX yesterday. Can you add me up to the group as I still have not accepted to join? Thanks. D-Wave, I will gonna go to the group where because like there are people that are like fixing those kind of things. And then I'm gonna say to, because we are working together with WEEX, that they are gonna also put you in there. I kind of like the analysts on the live stream versus the YouTube video as well. Yeah, like it is different indeed, man. I just follow the X. Thank you, GS. Thank you. The life is good. We can celebrate Ethereum all-time high soon. Lol. Yeah, bro. I really love to do it. Like, I'm gonna be really sad if he's gonna reach like a new all-time high when I'm like flying, you know, like on the Saturday, because that would be otherwise like a really good live stream. But yeah, you can't have everything. That's like what I would say, guys. But also I'm gonna because I heard already from certain people that people already deposit like $100 and stuff, but that it didn't work. So I am gonna go trying to fix that fragment, because like the link is over here, like join our exclusive trading group. If I'm gonna try to link on it and then start bot, let's see what he's doing. Oh, sorry, you guys don't see anything. Let me put it over here. Here we go. I don't think if it's gonna work, but let's see. It's a little bit laggy with me, man. With it. Is it maybe because I joined already? Maybe that's the reason, but yeah, it's a little bit sad. Oh, okay. I will come back on that segment because it is weird that it doesn't work, to be honest. Okay, guys, I'm gonna come back on that segment for the next set on the next Wednesday. So let's see. When I signed up on WEEX using the link, somehow the referral code was deleted. Is there a way I can link the referral code to my current WEEX account? Sorry for the complicated question. Any advice is helpful. Yeah, I get it, bro. Let's see. When I signed up on WEEX. Let's see, bro. Yeah, bro, that is gonna be like a tough one. I am just thinking about it real quick. Yeah, the thing is, what I'm reading here, but then you have to like contact the WEEX customer support about it. Because if it is like really deleted your referral code, then yeah, then you have to like ask the customer support on that fact, because you can't get it back yourself, or you have to like or you have to create a new account. But then it depends on if you have like made deposits on it or not, you know. So like that's like what I would do. So what I would do for you is like contact WEEX customer support with that segment, and also ask them about like the trading group, the exclusive trading group of the WEEX account. Okay. Okay, I reach out to them and ask. Okay, no worries, bro. Okay, guys, this is gonna be the end of the live stream. I want to thank you a lot for today and the support and everything. Also for you, use predictions. Like man, thanks you and Tom Rock. Yeah, thanks use productions because I like to do this a lot. I like the support as well from you guys. So thank you a lot for watching. Guys, so just so you know, this exclusive group is gonna be like something. Is gonna be like a next generation of a really good and supportive group for each other. I'm gonna send everyone a text in a group for like with a WEEX account. That still people are waiting and everything. So I will come back on that on the next upcoming Saturday with the live stream for you guys. Also, that live stream is gonna be like a shorter one because I have a lot of things to do on that day. So maybe we're gonna end the live stream then a little bit earlier than normally. Okay. Do you need the KYC on WEEX? You don't need it, but you can add it to you if you want. Have fun in Asia. Thank you, GS. But like we're still gonna have like 3 live streams for this upcoming days. Yes, 3 live streams. Those are gonna be the last 3 live streams. So we're gonna make something really great about it. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, and guys, don't forget to follow us on WEEX. Follow us on YouTube, of course. Don't forget to subscribe, like maybe this live stream. Otherwise, I would really appreciate it. Also, use WEEX to trade on it and a WOP account. Yeah, that's not what we're using actually anymore. So like, whoop, that one is gonna go gone. And here, this is for example here, just you rock as well, a 8% profits runner. Crazy with Ethereum USDT. It is already like a good one, huh, guys? Perfect. So guys, this is gonna be like a good one. And guys, I will see you on the next one. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, I will see you guys. Thank you.